A prophecy has been released how the Chukwu Okike Abiama is going to destroy the country called Nigeria by this our sister. As this our sister make this shocking prophecy that look at what the Chukwu Okike Abiama have said, that if Nigeria refuse to release NnamdiKanu, that Nigeria is go on flame, that things will start happening and it will not stop until Nigeria is completely gone. My people, I don't want to talk too much, so I'm going to play you the video. May you watch and see how it they happen for that area. But before we go inside to this video, please may you make sure say they follow this page, because following us will enable us to do more, so that anytime we will upload, it will also they get our updates. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels, and we're there for TikTok. So in case of you don't know, we have a new page as it stand like this, new page on TikTok. So if you see it, try to follow us as well over there. Balabas G's always. Okay guys, let's watch this video together before we come back and continue.
A message from Chukwu Okike Abiama on 29th June 2024, Saturday. Chukwu Okike Abiama Ohuzuru na Mazuru, the high and lofty one, the only one true God, sent me, Mesoma Chukwu, his humble child, servant, and his only chosen high priestess, that always stays before his presence, to tell his people, the Biafrans in coastal region of Biafra, that claim they are not Igbo, to listen to this warning he is about to give out. Chukwu Okike Abiama said that he sent his high priest Mazi NnamdiKanu to us to tell us Biafrans that every genuine Biafran is an Igbo indigene originated from Anambra tribe called State. But you people in the coastal region of Biafra did not believe him. Even when Igbo language is attached to many of your different dialects, and some among you speak complete Igbo language. He, Mazi NnamdiKanu, shouted it to your hearing and to the hearing of the people of the earth, that you all were Igbos, and later came together to answer Biafrans, which means that an Igbo person is a Biafran, and a Biafran is an Igbo person. Chukwu Okike Abiama said that the people in upland parts of Biafra that answer Igbo people are not the entirety of Igbo indigenes, that he, Chukwu Okike Abiama, allowed them to answer the name Igbo because he from the beginning has chosen them to always lead others, the same way he chose Judah among his brothers to lead. And that secondly, these people are proud to answer Igbos, which other parts of them have refused to answer out of sadness or grudge. Chukwu Okike Abiama said he will not dwell on this, as his high priest Mazi NnamdiKanu perfectly did well in explaining the origin of Biafrans as Igbo people. He went on to say that what his children, the great Biafrans, should understand is that in every family of his innocent people, he does not give equal gifts of light to every child in that family. Some have greater light to lead and serve others because whoever that leads people also serve, while those that are being led and served also in return serve the one that leads. That is when there is a balanced equation in a family of light. Chukwu Okike Abiama said that in a family of light there should be no room for jealousy and bearing of grudge against one another. Then for those saying they are not Igbo Biafrans, Chukwu Okike Abiama said that those saying they are not Igbo Biafrans should stop being afraid and jealous of their brethren, the Igbo people in the upland region, just because he, Chukwu Okike Abiama, made them greater than they. And they should return to him, or they will totally perish, because he has come to take over his land of Biafra and the people, the Biafrans, which they in the coastal region of Biafra are inclusive. Chukwu Okike Abiama said again that he has returned to take over his land of Biafra and his people, the great Biafrans, and that those Biafrans who claim they are not Igbos while they live in Biafra land should start relocating to where they belong. If it is Hausa land, Yoruba, Cameroon, Ghana, Togoland, they should go there and leave Biafra land for innocent, genuine Biafrans. And that if they keep on living there, that he, Chukwu Okike Abiama pụrụ ime ihe niile, the creator of heaven and earth, and all that are in them, will wipe them out with flood. I am that I am said that in the future he shall destroy Iguacha known as Port Harcourt and Bayelsa tribes of Biafra with severe tide because of the way they are massacring their fellow Igbo Biafrans from upland region living in that part of Biafra land. The indigenes of Iguacha known as Port Harcourt and Bayelsa tribes are killing them secretly and openly, all in the name of we are not Igbos, after joining foreigners to suffer and kill them during 1967 to 1970 genocide carried out on them. Yet, Chukwu Okike Abiama pụrụ ime ihe niile said, you evil Biafrans have refused to change. Chukwu Okike Abiama pụrụ ime ihe niile also said that Iguacha and Bayelsa Biafran indigenes exhausted the mercy he left for them when they refused to listen to the voice of his high priest, Mazi NnamdiKanu, telling them to return, but instead they attacked him severely. He said he must wipe them out and take over his land. Chukwu Okike Abiama pụrụ ime ihe niile also said that any innocent Biafran living in Iguacha, known as Port Harcourt, and Bayelsa tribes of Biafra, hearing this message, should start relocating immediately. About those that want Igbo nation, Chukwu Okike Abiama pụrụ ime ihe niile went on to say that those Igbo Biafrans in the upland part of Biafra that are clamoring for Igbo nation should not allow his wrath to fall on them, that there is nothing like Igbo nation, but only Biafra nation, which is his own nation. About the Nigerian government, Chukwu Okike Abiama pụrụ ime ihe niile said that I, his Ezenwanyị, should tell those people in the seat of power in Nigerian government that he, Chukwu Okike Abiama pụrụ ime ihe niile, the creator of all things, is coming to fight them, and they too should get ready to fight him back. He said that he will fight them without looking backwards, because they are holding his high priest, Mazi NnamdiKanu, in bondage when he is supposed to be standing before his throne. He said his high priest, Mazi NnamdiKanu, should be released immediately and unconditionally, or he will set Nigeria ablaze and the fire will not go down until Nigeria and Nigerians are no more. The omnipotent God finally gave a command that every foreigner living in any part of the 11 tribes of Biafra should start evacuating from the land immediately, because he, Chukwu Okike Abiama pụrụ ime ihe niile, is coming to take over his land of Biafra, and that he doesn't want any foreigner, no matter the race, in it, until he finishes building Biafra the way he wants it to be. He said that this command must be adhered to, or he will not be blamed when he releases his anger upon the foreigners. He said that he will take over his land by himself because many IPOB family members, including his high priest, Mazi NnamdiKanu, has failed him in many different ways. Therefore, he is going to do it in his own way. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra.
Okay, my wonderful people, now so we see am for today, and I will say more bring am come give una. Abeg, may you try drop your own opinion for inside comment section and try to share the video. We understand say so many people no dey gree share our videos because say we no dey talk that particular thing wey they want. My brother, this is social media and we are here. Since this channel was started, it's only talking about Biafrans, bringing other news, but most of the news we are talking here is Biafrans. You people will not see us to promote us or to share us. That is talking every day. NnamdiKanu, Simon Ekpa, what is happening in Southeast, bringing it, exposing it. You can't share us. But when very dark man now talk, hey, everybody will run, go share am, everybody will run. go bring am come outside. But we wey dey here dey talk am every day, una no go support us until when I talk that thing wey you wan hear, that particular one wey you wan make dey talk every day. Even though people wey dey talk am, we people no dey even support them. But however, share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. The only thing that I know is that Mazi NnamdiKanu must be released unconditionally. There's no two ways about it. He commit no crime. It's not abomination to say that, hey, this house is on fire and I don't want to stay on it again. And this is only crime that I know that Mazi NnamdiKanu committed to Nigeria government. But they don't have nothing against him. So however, I will leave you to drop your own opinion in the comment section and share the video so that other people will get the information as it did happen.